In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel. Start by opening your web browser and searching for GoHighLevel. Look for the official site in the results. Checking the URL helps you avoid landing on an ad or a lookalike page. Once you're on the home page, click the option to log into the app. On the sign-in screen, enter your account credentials or choose to sign in with your Google account if that's already set up. After a moment, you'll be taken into your dashboard. If you manage multiple brands or clients, make sure you're viewing the correct sub-account, which is the workspace tied to a specific business. Inside the sub-account, head to Sites on the left sidebar. This is where you'll build funnels and websites using the drag-and-drop editor. You can start from a clean canvas, pick an industry-specific template to move faster, or try the Funnels AI option to generate a layout from a text prompt. As you build, keep one primary goal per page, like booking a call or capturing a lead, and keep your headline and call to action clear. Next, create your lead capture in Sites under Forms. Build a simple form with only the fields you truly need, then drop it onto your landing page. Every submission automatically lands in your Contacts tab, giving you a single record of each lead with their form data, which makes follow-up far easier. To book meetings without third-party tools, go to Settings and then Calendars. Set your availability, meeting duration, and buffer time so you don't get double booked. You can embed this calendar on your funnel or website so leads can pick a time that works for both of you. Open the Conversations tab to see all inbound and outbound messages from SMS, email, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger in one unified inbox. Responding here keeps context in one place and helps your team stay aligned. Under Opportunities, create a visual pipeline that matches your sales process. For example, new lead, discovery call, proposal sent, and closed. Drag and drop contact cards as deals progress. This gives you a live snapshot of what's in the works and where each lead sits. Now automate your follow-up in Automation under Workflows. A workflow pairs a trigger, what starts it, with an action, what happens next. A common setup is, when a form is submitted, immediately send a friendly SMS or email, add a new lead tag, and notify your team. Test your workflow so messages fire as expected, and space out communications to keep them helpful and compliant. Finally, use the Reputation tab to send Google review requests after a successful service. Set your timing, personalize the message, and track responses to build social proof over time. That's the core of GoHighLevel. Build, capture, book, converse, track, automate, and grow.